So I wanted to do a quick comparison of loading a regular Glock magazine the standard or slash traditional way by using the bullets and place it on the top ring and see how fast we can actually do it. And compared to this other method that I came up with loading it up from the bottom and using actually this to grab the bullets and actually load them in. So let's give it a shot and see which is faster. Also, I'll be using a regular standard magazine and the Glock loader that they give you, and we'll see how fast that'll also be. All right, now I'm going to load the standard Glock 43 magazine the traditional way from the top. It took about, I would say 15 seconds to load the standard magazine using the standard traditional way. One thing you notice too is my fingers are all pretty beat up from actually loading it from the top fast. All right, now I'm going to load this Glock 43 magazine with the different parts that I created for this with the volute spring fowler and actually with the piece of metal to grab the bullets, right? Kind of like a magazine clip. All right. All right, that took about 8 seconds or 9 seconds, closer to 9 seconds. And one thing is my thumb doesn't hurt. All right, I'm going to use load the standard traditional magazine from the top using the Glock speed loader that they give you when you purchase the gun and the magazine. All right, that took 24 seconds. Actually, it's faster loading it with your fingers, just by the traditional way. So all in all, I believe this method is probably the most easiest, fastest, and it doesn't painless, I would say, method of loading a magazine.